This is Dr. Tanjanika Kwaskud, the sex doctor. I am answering questions that I get from my followers, and this next question reads, my girlfriend likes swallowing semen and dipping her meals in it. Is that okay? Well, this guy was actually very surprised, I guess, and a little bit confused about this habit coming from his girlfriend. And apparently she likes to put semen in everything, and she likes to eat things with semen on it. And he was very confused by it and taken aback, and he was like, is this normal? Is this okay? Well, if this is your girlfriend and she likes to swallow your semen when you are performing sexual activities, then I would say if she wants to put her in her toast and donuts and coffee in the morning, I don't think there's anything wrong with it. If she likes it and if you're volunteering your semen for it, I would say there is nothing wrong with it. This is your relationship. If you consent to it, if this is something that you enjoy also doing with her, and again, if you don't have any issues with her swallowing your semen when you are having sex, then the prospect of her using your semen in other forms of food for other consumption times, then I would say is totally okay. Now, if it's a matter of like you are okay with it while you are hot and bothered, and as soon as your orgasm ends, then you're like kind of grossed out by it, then have a conversation with her and explain your feelings. However, again, if you are okay with volunteering your semen, and if she's okay with swallowing it during the sex act, then I would say just let her have it. The more, the merrier. This is Dr. Tanjanika Kwaskud, the sex doctor. Visit my websites, texassexualhealth.com and drtanji, thesexdoctor.com. See you next time.